Hi, welcome to another video. And today I have a really interesting topic here because, as by the title, how I made Kenya shillings 1,000 with ChatGPT in under 24 hours as a beginner, because this is something that I've not done before. So I'm documenting everything here as we talk. So I had one question. I asked ChatGPT one question: help me make money online in Kenya fast. So 24 hours later, I had 1,000 in my M-Pesa, right? Of course, it was more than 1,000 really. I ended up having more, as you can see here. I'll show you a proof later of what that is. But yes, I ended up with 1,000 first, and then it kind of skyrocketed from there, and I ended up with around $60. No trading, no capital, of course, no laptop, just my phone, ChatGPT, and one app most Kenyans don't even know there is like this. Of course, I've already touched up more about this app on this channel lately. For I think my last two videos, I've talked about this app, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it step by step, so you can copy it today, and I'll give you the prompts that I used and everything else. I'll even show you where to sign up for that app. So the plan was, the first thing I did was, of course, ask ChatGPT. Go to chatgpt.com and then type this. This exact thing you need to type. This one. Suggest a fast way to make money in Kenya using affiliate marketing and free traffic. So if you already know me, I'm very big with affiliate marketing and free traffic. So these are some of my best two things. Number one, affiliate marketing means you refer people to products or services in this case, and you get paid if they buy something, which is very beautiful. The next thing is free traffic. Free traffic means I don't have to pay anything to get people to visit that product or a service. So I need that traffic to go to that site or product and make a purchase. Then I get a cut out of that. Now, the beauty of this is, with affiliate marketing, if you don't have an audience, or if you don't have traffic, if you don't have people clicking your links, you're as good as dead. You won't make anything. So that's the secret. Like, you need traffic for affiliate marketing to work. Now, the beauty of ChatGPT is that it gave me a full strategy. And one of the ideas that stood out was promoting high-paying finance or trading apps using WhatsApp or TikTok. So I had a choice to pick a lot of ideas that ChatGPT gave me, and I picked this one, to promoting a trading app using WhatsApp or TikTok, which I picked that. Now, the reason why I picked this is because I'm an affiliate of Olymp. So you've heard me talk about Olymp before. Olymp is a trading platform. So let me show you. This is Olymp, olymptrade.com. It's an online trading platform that allows you to make money by trading these big assets like crypto, currencies, indices, all of these other stuff that you can trade by just depositing $10 and trading from as low as $1. So this is how it looks like. It's very simple. There are some assets, commodities, composites, cryptocurrencies, ETFs, indices, metals. So the one, if you were to trade here, I would go for maybe crypto or currencies. Of course, those are something that are most popular. Now, the beauty of these platforms is that it pays you commissions for every successful trader you refer. So if you refer someone to go and sign up on this platform, they pay you when that person successfully signs up. So a successful sign up is where a guy clicks your link, signs up, and then deposits from as low as $10 from that. Then after that, now you start earning commissions from between 50 to 60%, right? That's it. So I decided to test this ChatGPT strategy out, but instead of me doing heavy lifting like I've always been doing before, I let the AI do that. So The next thing, of course, is to create content. So this is what I told ChatGPT: write 5 short WhatsApp captions to promote a trading app that pays Kenya shillings 1,000 per referral in Kenya. Make them curiosity based. Now, the reason why I added this one is because I wanted a specific prompt. I wanted a specific resource, and here is what ChatGPT gave me. Someone just made Kenya shillings 1,000 from their phone. No betting, no selling. Ask me how. So that's an example of a caption that ChatGPT gave me. Here is another one. There is a new way to earn M-Pesa money daily. It's not what you think. And then that's another result that ChatGPT gave me. I copied the best ones and posted them on my WhatsApp status. And I have some 3. Actually, there are 4. But I promoted these captions. I posted these captions plus a link on my Telegram groups. So I have 4, but I posted them on 3. I didn't stop there. I also asked ChatGPT to write a blog post. Remember, with social media, it works every time you kind of share your posts. But if you stop sharing, you stop earning, right? You stop getting clicks, people stop seeing your post and all that. So I needed a way to keep getting the traffic, right? So I asked ChatGPT to write a blog post. Here is the prompt: write an article explaining how to make money from home in Kenya using affiliate marketing with a trading app, right? So it created a 500-word blog post in under 66 seconds, which is the beauty. This is mind blowing, man. Like, it, when I was starting out, it used to take me around maybe 2 hours to write 500 words. But with ChatGPT now, you can just get this in under 60 seconds. Then the next thing I did was just add my affiliate link and post it on my blog. So I have a blog specifically meant for this kind of online money making ideas. So I posted this article there. But also for you, if you don't have a blog, you can post it on Medium. So I've talked about Medium before. Go to medium.com. It's free to sign up. You can also post this thing because it's 500 words. It's short, so it can work on Facebook, or even you can use Google Docs if you don't have a blog. So a Google Docs is, just like MS Word. It's like Microsoft Word, but online, right? So you need bundles to access it. The key is to use AI to produce content fast and smart, not just random spam. So make sure if you're using this, you're producing smart content. Here is a proof of the payout. So by the next day, I had 1 referral that I had converted. Remember, I told you it kind of skyrocketed. I'll explain in a minute what I mean by that. And as you can see, I made around $23. That's more than 1,000, right? That's more than 1,000. I'll show you in the dashboard right now. Now, the person clicked my link from WhatsApp, signed up, and verified their account. So they made a deposit, of course. I think they made a deposit of around $33, right? I didn't even trade. I didn't spend money. I just shared a tool that helps people who already want to make money. And of course, that the power of affiliate marketing plus AI. So here is the dashboard. This is what it looks like. As you can see inside here, you can see statistics, promotion materials. Once you sign up, I'll leave you a link in the description. They are currently running actually a program, a promotion where if you refer people from, I think from India, yes, traders from India, if you refer 20 to 29 traders, you get $50 bonus. If you refer 2,000 plus traders, you get $15,000 as a bonus, right? So this is what the dashboard looks like. This is, as you can see, this is the performance, right? The profit means how much I've made from the registration. See, this is the number of registration in the last, these 10 days, I think, because this is the 13th and 23rd, so that 10 days. And then the number of clicks, right? And as you can see, it updates almost instantly, right? These last statistics updated in the 14 minutes ago. So that's the dashboard. Now this is how you can withdraw. So to withdraw, just click payouts, and then from here you can see the revenue that you have, and then as you can see, this is the amount that I've withdrawn previously. As you can see here, I have this I withdrew on 20th, I withdrew $60, and that's what you're seeing here. All right, it was paid. I wanted to withdraw, I think, $53, but it was refused, something like that. So far in a month, I've withdrew. This is actually all of June, sorry. So if you add all of this, that's how much I've made inside this platform through that. Then as you can see, my account already has $23. So I'm waiting for a week. Remember, I told you that they kind of downgraded me because I was inactive. I wasn't sending enough traffic to them, so they downgraded my account just like that. So to sign up for this, just go to kingfin.com and create an account just like that. Verify your email and everything else. Just come inside here to Affiliate Academy and watch tutorials there to show you what you need to do. So let's talk about tips. Now, the first thing is focus on one app that pays well. Okay, so start with Olymp or another finance app with a clear affiliate system. Don't try 10 things at once. That's the secret that I learned. Focus on one thing. The second thing is let ChatGPT write, but edit it like human. So don't just copy paste from ChatGPT and share it directly like that. Always add your own twist. You include Kenyan examples, and of course you can add things like emojis to make your post look real. The other thing is promote where you already have attention. So if you already have a blog, promote it there. If you have a Facebook page, promote it there. If you have a TikTok account, promote it there. If you are thinking of starting a blog that has no traffic yet, you'll just be wasting your time. Start with what you already have, right? And here's the key. Always add your affiliate link at the end of each post or caption. Remember, no link equals to no money. That's it. No link equals to no money. If you want a copy of my exact steps, I've created a free AI hustle toolkit you can download. It includes the prompts that I've shown you here, the captions and the blog post templates, and of course where to sign up for Olymp affiliate program. Of course, this is just the beginning. I'm testing different AI money making methods in Kenya, so from affiliate marketing to TikTok automation. So I've been trying to figure out how to create kind of faceless maybe YouTube channel, TikTok account, something like that. So if you want real results, you can copy from someone on the ground using just a phone and free tools. You might as well click that subscribe button and let's grow together. And of course, if you want to see me try 5,000 in 7 days with AI, let me know, and you never know, I might just try that. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.